What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Squatch Trades. So this morning's trade in the New York session was a loss, took a red day. So I wanted to recap that trade, see sort of what went wrong and what I was looking at, why I even took this trade. So looking at price action here on the 15-minute time frame, we've been having shorts. We've been in a shorts bias for multiple days now. So I was still looking for shorts, and this is basically what I was looking at. I know we had taken out a high here, we put in a high, and then we put in this low, high, low to higher high to low. And what we know about that is creating a liquidity block when price comes up here. So when we have this high, price moves lower, we come up here, price moves lower again, and then we sweep the liquidity to the left. That creates a liquidity block right here. Let's label that. So we got the liquidity block. So let's make a quick pause. We already know what we're looking for. All right, so we already know what we're looking for is this formation right here. We know that when we have a build up, we put in a high, this low, high, low to high, and then we sweep down low. We've got that, again, liquidity block here. So now all we're waiting for is price to come up here and take out the high below the liquidity block to be able to enter the trade. So to me, all the logic seemed to be there. We had the low, high, and then we put in liquidity block on the 5-minute time frame. This is where I actually messed up. So we had this build up here. I was expecting price to reach the high below the liquidity block, which is this high here, to then trap sellers and find our way back to the downside, targeting the lows down here. Now, if we had a bearish bias, this trade, high probability. But because we are actually moving bullish, this trade didn't work out. So with this logic, I was looking to see price come in here, respect that liquidity block, takes back to the lows. So that was my trade idea. This is what I was looking to do. With the target, draw liquidity down here at the lows. So that was the logic. Had our liquidity block, we had sellers induced, looking to trap sellers at this high and move back down. We had this reaction here, building liquidity at this low here. So again, everything made sense, looked good to me. And we play some action out. So right about there, we got the tap. And we can play price action out from there. Just straight away smashed stop loss, because again, the bias was wrong. So that's the whole deal behind this trade, was the bias was off. What I recognize now is once we had this high put in, and then we came down here and swept all liquidity to the left, and if we look at the day time frame, we had not swept the previous day low either, which is what continued to give me my bearish bias. We see it did not take out that low. So now we know we definitely have a target down here for sure. I mean, that is there's a draw on liquidity there now, but high probability that we're going to find ourselves coming in here and likely continuing bullish until we hit some sort of trap here to come down and continue that bearish move. So until we get there, we don't know what's going to happen. We're just going to continue to follow price action. But I hope this helped. I hope this makes sense why I got into this trade, why it failed, and how we could have improved here. Really, I was discussing with my wife, my trading partner, at this point in the market right here, that, you know, we really probably, because of this sweep here and just the way the price action moving, and it was the New York Open, we probably should just wait to see how it reacts in this range before we go taking a sell, and see if we're going to actually break this high and what we want to do from there. Maybe we do want to have a bullish move today, but instead, because I saw this high, low, high liquidity block formation put in with lows being respected down here with this retail POI, everything seemed to make sense for me. So that's why I did what I did. But that is it for this trade recap. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment. Let me know if this is making sense, no sense at all, nonsense, or anything. I'd love to hear from you guys. Love to know what else I can, what other videos I can create. I'm just here to journal my trades and to provide any help that I could possibly provide in this world of trading for us all. So, and I'll see you in the next one.